What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to save photos to a PDF for your iPhone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So you can save photos easily to PDF format on your iPhone, but there's a little bit of a trick to it. So the first thing you want to do is actually jump into your Photos app, and then you want to look for the select button at the top right of the screen here and hit select. From there, you want to select the photos that you want to save in a PDF, and then once you have the photos that you want to save, you want to hit the share button at the bottom left of the screen here. And then from the share button, the trick is you want to hit print. And then from print here, you're not actually going to print it, but you want to pinch to zoom on these images here at the bottom, and then these images will now be saved in a PDF. From here, you want to hit the share button again, and then you want to hit save to files, and then you can choose where you want to save these PDF. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to save photos to a PDF for the iPhone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.